Okay, so we're going to get the entity for that building, and then we're going to check its inputs. Module inventory, fuel inventory. Ooh, fuel inventory is different. Because I bet there's a crafting inventory. Press to open. Oh, it's a gate. Okay. There's markets? Wow, I did not even know that. Launch rocket, there we go. What the hell is this song? Oh, is it? Hang on a second, let's find this. I guess it's just inventory? Oh, I see. It'll take it to find inventory. So it'll be like in assembling machine input. Crap. So there's fuel, the fuel inventory. There's a furnace source, and then there's a furnace result. So that's going to be different for each module, because it's a furnace. This module is like different kinds of buildings. Nuts. Oh, I wonder if the item active inventory is the one that you can like put stuff on the cursor with. Let me just put a note on my build base, building. Here we go. Place building. Okay. Yeah, so this needs to be special based on the building. Okay, well, we can do this. Okay, so we'll just put a type on the input. It already has a type call. Let's say fuel. And we may actually get rid of this type call if the slot is fuel, but boy. Okay, so we're gonna put stuff in the fuel slot. Okay. See exclusive. I'm probably going to call it in about 10 to 15 minutes, so you might miss me, but otherwise, I mean, I'm putting all these videos up on YouTube, and I'll be streaming. So, yeah, like, follow, subscribe, comment, blah blah blah, and yeah, catch you around. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for your help with the typo. Alright, so if the input slot type is fuel, then we're going to check the entities, get inventory. Yep, for their inventory fuel. Okay. I'm just thinking how I could abstract this, but not totally sure yet. Okay. So basically we want to make sure that the inventory has something in it. And especially if it's fuel. If it's fuel, I don't care about what it is. It's just anything will do. So this is going to be an inventory, and I think I can just do get item count, and if I don't provide a string, it'll give me everything. Perfect. I'm about to sneeze. Hang on. Okay, we're back. I didn't die. Oh, we could just ask is empty. Okay. So if the inventory is empty, then we want to enqueue it's going to be a fuel building task. And so it's going to be a specific fuel task. I think that's all I'm going to need. Yep, okay. And then... I'm wondering if I'm going to get into weird situations where like it's halfway through crafting and it ran out of fuel halfway through, and so then we get in this place where we like don't have any tasks in the queue because it's not totally working yet, but that's okay, we'll see. Okay, so then once we have put fuel in it, let's enqueue a number of tasks plus 1. Wait for output task. The building is going to be that. Ooh, we gotta wait. Okay, we gotta find the output products. Oh, interesting. So we're gonna give it a list of entities, I guess. Also, I guess we should. Oh. This is backwards. If entity and entity valid. Yes, correct. Okay, so we need to just do that little checky check here. Okay. What happened? Oh my god. It's going crazy. Okay, wait for output task. Cool. The building is going to be the list of buildings in my output that produce that product. So let's make a new function here. Base module. Outputs for product. And then this is going to be something along the lines of this. If oh, we don't need to check the inventory in this case. We're just getting the buildings. So actually, I think we will check if the entity is valid. We'll just add it to the result. So result, number of result plus 1 is going to be this entity. And then we're going to return the result. And then that simplifies this section. We're just going to check for entity, I guess we'll do entity in pairs of self slef outputs for product do. Okay, so if the entity has output inventory, we're going to get the product. Okay, great. So that simplifies this, and now we have this function which will give us a list of entities that will produce that product. And so here, Oop. Okay. Okay, we're going to generate tasks for a particular quantity. All right, and so then that means that here we need to ask for the correct quantity. Okay. Okay. All right, so we've come up with a field building task, wait for output task, and a collect module output task. Okay. Oops. Let's make sure it's a .lua file. Otherwise Lua gets very confused. And field building. Okay. All right. Let's just set up these tasks. Do we have a task with a logger? That'd be great. Ah, here we go. Perfect. The capital O, of course. Woodling again, there we go. All right. And my 3 to-dos now are to implement those particular classes. I think everything else is ready to go? Question mark. The resource manager now. Oh yeah, that's right. The other thing we need to do is when creating a module, when building a module. We need to go ahead and clear, add the building into that task. Add the building into that module object. Okay, I'll do that real quick. So first of all,